Veerappan is an Indian politician, an early Dravidian leader, and a movie producer and screenwriter from the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. He is the founder and leader of the MGR Kazhagam party. He served as a cabinet minister in 5 governments from 1977 to 1996, is a 3-time member of Legislative Council and a 2-time member of the Legislative Assembly. He was the leader of the House for Legislative Assembly and leader of ADMK party of the Legislative Council. He was the architect behind the ADMK organization, unified the MGR fan clubs for the party formation. He was called as the Chanakya of AIADMK politics in the 70s and 80s. RMV was introduced to Periyar in Karakudi by Ramasubbaya. He soon began to follow his Dravidian ideologies. He moved to a road with Periyar and was there with him for some time. He met many other Dravidian leaders. He subsequently joined K.R. Ramaswamy's Krishnan drama company as supervisor. During this period, he became an admirer of Arignar Anna and also friends with Chevalier Sivaji Ganesan. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.